So, by the looks of this one, I think Pooh's had enough. You better have my honey. He is ready for straight up business. This is coming at you from Legend Fireworks. 500 grammer, as you can see, 25 shot, and there's your Legend 500 series. Again, it's a fan item, you can tell by right here. Curious on the performance. Ooh, get some small writing down here. 5 shots are fanned red strobe, tailed in neon red with blue lemon and white strobe. 5 shots, strobe tailed a red-green strobe with palm pistol. Finale with 5 shots. Fan golden tailed a big gold willow. Better have his honey, because Pooh is not messing around. Let's check it out. This is from Legend, again, 500 grammer, 25 shots. From Bada Boom Fireworks is where I picked this up. You know what comes next, guys. Thumbs up or thumbs down. We'll see you in the comments down below. It's your boy Rob. Let's get to it.
It's got Pooh Bear in a pimp suit. Oh.